Sheru had become so powerful that everyone started saying that if you meet Sheru, things get done. He was becoming more famous than the officer in the entire office. But there was one employee in the office whom Sheru feared because he was very sincere. That employee's name was Rahil. Rahil had been working in the office for many years. He worked under a high rank officer. Rahil had a separate chamber and also helped all the officers in the office. Sheru didn't like that Rahil was famous in the office for his work, and Sheru wanted Rahil to not work under the high rank officer. Sheru wanted to stay close to the high rank officer to advance his own game. Sheru was looking for an opportunity to remove Rahil from under the officer. Sheru started harassing Rahil, putting work pressure on him, repeatedly asking for files without any reason, hoping that Rahil would get angry and say something. This went on for many days. One day, Sheru troubled Rahil a lot, and Rahil, in a bit of anger, said to Sheru, "You go get the file yourself." Sheru got his chance. He went and told the high rank officer, adding a lot of exaggeration. The officer, after hearing Sheru, called Rahil to his chamber and said angrily, "You will sit there, not here. By the afternoon, you should be there." The officer said, "Rahil, you will no longer work with me. I will handle the work myself." Rahil quietly obeyed the officer's order and went away. He was made to sit in a corner of the office. The officer took a one-sided decision without justifying it, and he didn't even ask Rahil what was right or wrong after listening to Sheru. Rahil didn't even try to explain the truth because he knew that there was no use in speaking. Sheru's two best friends had been working with the high-rank officer for over 10 years. Obviously, they would believe Sheru. For this reason, Rahil couldn't explain. In the end, Sheru's plan succeeded against Rahil. Sheru was very happy to see Rahil's condition. 1 month later, two more new employees joined in the KDR office, Afreen and Iftsam. Both had a helping nature, and if something wrong happened, especially Iftsam would raise his voice. Iftsam was a straightforward employee. If he saw something wrong or some shortcomings in the office work, he would directly say that this is wrong. The high-rank officer didn't like someone pointing out mistakes. However, the high-rank officer still liked Iftisam's work. Sheru also didn't like Iftisam because he was becoming closer to the officer. One day, Sheru started defaming Iftisam in front of the high-ranking officer by telling him unnecessary false negative things, and Iftisam used the term character assassination. After Sheru spoke in front of the high-rank officer, the high-rank officer called Iftisam and asked, "What is going on in the office?" Iftisam said, "Nothing." "Oh, Sheru was saying that you called him character assassination?" "Yes, sir. I said it because this guy just neglects his work and keeps doing this. He doesn't work, he just gossips about others." The officer called Sheru in the presence of Iftisam and saw Sheru's mistake there. Iftisam then confronted Sheru in front of the officer. After that, Sheru held a grudge against Iftisam. Sheru decided to permanently remove Iftisam. A few days later, a high-rank officer gave Sheru the power to promote every employee in the office. Sheru was very happy after receiving this power. Sheru started making orders according to his own will, and then one day, he gathered all the employees and gave them orders. Some employees were happy while others were unhappy with the orders. Sheru acted arbitrarily. He significantly increased his own salary while keeping others on lower salaries, giving some reasons for this. Many employees kept circling the office, some due to salary issues, some due to position issues, and some didn't even accept it. Sheru ruined the lives of many employees who had been working for many years. He also gave Rahil a minor position with a low salary. Rahil had hoped for a good position, but Sheru ruined his career. Rahil had a lot of experience and had worked under a high rank officer. Rahil was very sad, as were the other employees. Seeing all this, Rahil was getting more and more depressed about his career day by day.